Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to go live on TikTok PC. This process is really simple and really easy. You don't need to open your TikTok application because for this we will use TikTok Studio, and with the help of TikTok Studio you will go live on TikTok easily. So let's get started. The first thing is open your computer browser, and in the search bar you have to write the same like me. After writing TikTok Studio, search for it. Scroll down and here you can see the option Download Live Studio. Just tap on it to get access of it. This one is the official website of TikTok, so you don't need to worry about any scam. Take a look on the right up here, you can see the option download. Just tap on it, then it will start downloading on your computer. But as you can see, I have already downloaded this application and I also log in my TikTok ID into this studio. So that's why I will open it. And as you can see, take a look on the right bottom of the screen. Here you can see the option Go Live. I just need to tap on this option Go Live, then I will do a live stream with the help of this studio. Before coming here, you have to set up your TikTok account. This studio will connect with your TikTok account, then you can do live stream with the help of this studio. And it was the way by which you can do it easily and quickly.